What if your business could guide visitors and stay active even when you're not online? This is how you build a 24/7 AI response system for your business. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we focus on building clear, practical systems that help you work smarter. One of the biggest challenges for many small businesses is simply being available. An automated assistant ready to respond can help visitors feel supported right away, offering a smoother experience without you needing to be at your desk all day. Today, I'll walk you through a simple way to create an AI-driven response system that stays available at all hours. You won't need any technical background to set this up. In this video, you'll learn how to set up, train, and connect an always available AI assistant that welcomes visitors, answers common questions, and helps them find what they need. To build this system, you only need 3 essential, simple tools. First, you need ChatGPT, which acts as the core of your AI assistant, providing the intelligence for responses. Next, a chat widget like Tidio or Crisp, which lets you place the assistant directly on your website for easy access. And finally, an automation tool like Zapier, which helps connect everything together behind the scenes, ensuring smooth workflow. Let's start building it step by step. Our first step is preparing your information guide. Inside ChatGPT, gather the basic details you want your assistant to share, such as what your business offers, how to get started, and any general notes visitors should know. Then use a prompt like, organize this information into a clear guide for an AI assistant with easy-to-understand explanations. This gives your assistant a solid foundation to speak from. Now for steps 2 and 3, installation and communication training. Using your chosen chat tool, install the chat widget by pasting a short code snippet onto your site. Once added, your assistant is ready to greet visitors anytime. Upload the information guide and instruct your assistant to, if unsure, ask the visitor for more details and keep the conversation friendly and clear. This helps the assistant respond naturally and stay accurate. Next are steps 4 and 5, connecting to other tasks and adding personalization. You can connect your assistant to different tasks using Zapier. For example, set it up so the assistant sends you a message when someone asks to learn more, or logs notes into a workspace like Notion. These automations keep everything organized. Many chat tools allow your assistant to recognize when someone has visited before, remember past interactions, and continue conversations smoothly. This is a simple way to offer a more welcoming experience. Here's what this looks like once everything is running. Your assistant greets the visitor, offers helpful information, and guides them toward what they need. Your business remains responsive, friendly, and consistent without you needing to be online. Finally, let's look at maintenance and how to keep things running smoothly. To keep things running smoothly, review your assistant's conversations occasionally, update the information guide when needed, and add new automations as your workflow grows. Small adjustments over time keep the experience fresh and helpful. If you'd like more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe and download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below to get templates and resources for building these systems.